Alright guys, they called me in because this bus had a misfire. So I came in, as you can see, started removing things, checked the computer diagnostic. They said I got a misfire on number 3 cylinder. So I pulled the valve cover, pulled the intake, dropped the compressor, and this is what I found. This is the ISB 6.7. Look at that, guys. Where the hell is that push rod? It's all the way in. Right there. Comment, guys. Let me know what you think happened there. ISB 6.7. Misfire on cylinder 1, 2, number 3. Let's see if this push rod is. Let's see how this push rod looks. Comment, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Now I need to get this one out.